My name's Jordy Johnson.
My name's Grumpy Jesse, and this is Carving Fusion by Jordy Johnson. See ya.
Peekaboo. Hey guys, for those of you that don't know me and new to my channel, my name's Jordy at Carving Fusion. I want to take a minute today to talk about my dust collector table, okay? Because lots of people are asking and wondering about it. So this is a piece of aluminum. I got these holes drilled. I'm not too sure what size, maybe 1/2 inch holes, okay? So this is the aluminum plate on here. You can see my whole table, I got it all boxed in so the dust kind of stays in there, right? And my lighting here, I got a light here, and then a light here, 2 lights. Lighting's very important. I'm going to be doing a lighting video, guys. Anyways, this is about my dust collector, okay? So this is the table. This aluminum plate comes out. I don't need to take it out ever, but I'm just taking it out for this video so you guys can see how it works. Okay, so it's popped off. Okay, so there I have a tube thing I got at, I believe I got it at KMS Tools. Okay, and then I got this tube. Okay, I got to slow down. I'm going to get confused talking about this. And I need to put some polysporin on that cut. So underneath, this is plywood. I think it's like I cut it to 6x4. Okay, it's a normal sheet of plywood, and I carved underneath here a box. So you can see that's just plywood in a box. I don't know how thick it is. I'd say this, the box is only 2 inches deep, okay? Right here, that's about 2 inches. And I put plywood underneath, and there's my thing that I got screwed onto it. If you can see it. Okay? Can't see what's going on with the camera right now. And then I got this pipe that runs here. And this is a cyclone filter. It's a bigger one. I should have cleaned it up before I made this video. Every day I usually do a big cleanup, but I haven't done it yet today. Okay, so this is a cyclone filter. This goes to the table, okay? This pipe. And this goes to my dust collector, this pipe. And most of the dust, like 98% of the dust will get trapped in here, okay? Before it goes to your dust collector. Now this pipe there comes through here, and this is my dust collector. I believe this is a 1.5 amp. I just run it on normal 120 power, okay? So this is your filter, okay? This type of filter, yeah, this is a 110 volt. I think it's a 1.5 amp. This filter is supposed to be a self-cleaning filter. But once every 3 months, I take this filter off to where I do my chainsaw carving, and I blow it all out to make it like new again. But this handle on here, so it's going to be loud, you just spin it. And it's supposed to knock all the dust off these things. But it does and it doesn't, okay? Finer dust gets trapped in here, and I just take it, clean it out for half an hour. It's like brand new again. So I haven't changed this bag. There's barely any dust in there. I haven't changed this bag in about a year. Good year and a half. I haven't needed to change it, okay? Because I got this cyclone filter. This is the bigger model, guys, okay? So I just take this off and empty this now when I want to do it. And having this cyclone filter before you have your shop vac or your dust collector makes it so this doesn't get clogged up as fast. Because when this is clogged up on the dust collector system or your shop vac, your filter's clogged up, it's not going to suck as good as it normally does. I know that for a fact, because when I got this thing cleaned out fresh, when I blow it all out, don't use hose and water, guys, but when I use the air gun and clean it all out in my blower, I have barely any dust collecting on this table when I'm carving, because there's so much more suction that gets sucked in here. So I suggest, if you got a shop vac, okay, and you're using a shop vac table or whatever like that, you can buy ones like this too. It's called Dust Deputy, okay, and it just hooks up to a bucket. See, that's just one of those 5-gallon buckets. They're smaller hoses, and it will hook up to your shop vac bit. I believe you can buy something like this at Home Depot. A couple guys have videos, but this is I don't use this right now because I got the bigger one. Okay, so I want to turn the dust collector on for a quick minute. It's getting late here, so I can't be too loud. Just to show you how it will suck up all this dust. Okay, I'll have to push the dust in there, and you'll see how it works. It's going to be loud for a second. Okay, so I just turn it on. Okay. Just look at all it gets all sucked down there. You guys, if you have limited space to carve, I really suggest you make yourself a dust collector table and use a shop vac or whatever you want to use. But that's how mine works, okay? Put that back on there. That's where I carve. You guys, I really suggest getting yourself a cyclone filter. Like I said, they sell cheaper ones at Home Depot, or you can get ones like this online. The Dust Deputy that goes onto the 5, this is a whole system I bought at KMS. But this is the cat's ass, and it will save your filter in your shop vac or dust collector system, okay? Dust Deputy. Get one of these guys if you're running a shop vac. And look at the way just carve Rob does. He uses a shop vac and he just puts the handle up there for the shop vac, and when he's carving it gets all sucked in. You know what I mean? So, but get yourself a cyclone filter, guys. Okay, later.